Let's make this stunning mom letter cake just in time for Mother's Day. We're gonna start by baking our cake layers and chilling them. While they chill, let's make a batch of buttercream. Here I'm using the melting method to add color to my buttercream to achieve this gorgeous lavender shade. Next, we're gonna make a batch of French macarons. I made one batch and split it into two batter colors, so I have a beautiful pink and yellow. Fill your max and refrigerate. Moving right along, we're gonna color some candy melts with Elite colors and then cast them into the molds of your choice. Here I'm using butterflies, miniature chocolate bars, and diamonds. Allow your melts to fully set and then pop them out of the molds. And now we're ready to assemble our cakes. Using a cake leveler, level off the top of your cake so we have a nice flat surface to work with. Place your letter templates down onto your cake, trim and remove the excess. Remember to cut 2 of each letter because our letter cakes will be 2 cake layers high each. Load up your piping bag with your buttercream and start piping your first cake layer. I use medium pressure, squeeze and stop and pull away and then pipe my next dollop. Try to make them roughly the same size, but they don't have to be perfect. Lay down your second cake layer and repeat the piping process. Now let's start decorating. I always like to start with a layer of sprinkles. The first decorative element I add are always flowers to give you a nice anchoring point to start with. And be sure to wrap your floral stems. Here's where you can get super creative. You can add absolutely any toppings you want. We're adding our macarons and candy that we made earlier, but you can add cookies, donuts, dipped fruit, whatever you desire. And to take it super over the top, we're gonna add 24 karat edible gold leaf. And finally, let's marvel at how gorgeous this is. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for being Team Sugar Art.